Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can apply a face swap effect to your videos on CapCut. It is actually super simple. So what you want to do is head over to CapCut.com. Now the trick I'm about to show you guys can only be applied if you access CapCut through their web application. So head over to CapCut.com, log into your account, and what you want to do here on your home feed is select the type of video you would like to use, like for instance Reels or TikTok videos. Let me go with TikTok videos for demonstration purposes, and here on the next page type in the search bar face swap, and after that you will be given access to a list of face swap videos you may use and customize. So let me go, for example, with that one here. Left click on it, and after that click on use this template here. Here inside your library, guys, here to the left, click on upload in the top left corner, and upload the image or photo of yours, for example, with your face you would like to use, just like that. Wait for the upload process to be finished, and after that left click on your photo here in your library to apply it to your video. And there you go. As you can see, now your face is part of that video. You can watch it in the preview mode, and there you go. As you can see, that's the face swap effect. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.